Hi, what's up, guys? So, you probably already know what this video is about since you've clicked on it. Today, we're making a very beautiful cherry blossom scenery. So, to start, I bring out my water container and light a candle for the vibes. Then, start by prepping the canvas or the sheet. So here I first start with taping. It's very essential because it's very satisfying to peel it in the end, but also it serves a purpose. So the next step is sketching, and while sketching you need to make sure that your proportions and perception is correct. I will make a separate video on that, so make sure to follow and subscribe. Next, I take out the brushes that I'll be needing for this painting, and here on the painting process starts. First, we'll need a blue and white shade to make a pretty sky color. I mix it up and apply it directly onto the sheet. So here I'm using dark blue and white to bring out the dark to light shade. And I mix it up with a dry brush to give it a flawless effect. I'm doing the same for the mountain here. Acrylic color is all about building. So we build from the base to darker shade on where you need the shadow and lighter shade on where you need the highlight. And I'm doing the same for the background as well. Also, if you have any suggestions for me regarding how I should make my videos, or if this time lapse is helpful, please drop a comment so that I get to know if this method is working or not. For depth and dimensions, it is very important that you use darker color where it's needed. I'm using a very dark color, brown and black. A mixture of white and light pink. To get the cherry blossom effect, you have to just dab it on there. So this area is darker than the rest because the shadow is falling on this side. For the stones, I have used a shade of grey, black and some blue highlights to give it a 3D effect. And with that, the painting is done. Do comment and let me know how you feel about the painting. Bye cuties, see you in next.